Morgan breed is our domestic original, and its development, foundation sire figure, or Justin Morgan, coming in 1789, just with our history, paralleled the colonization of the area and settling of it, clearing of fields and transportation needs, and just the utility work animal. And very maneuverable, very willing, very good disposition, and it's our Vermont state animal. And this Joseph Patel's vision to perpetuate our native equine is the reason that I'm here, and the reason that this beautiful show place is here. And I think the Morgan is unique, but I'm very biased because it's really the only thing that I've ever worked with, having grown up in Middlebury, Vermont. And they are unique. They're interesting, they're intelligent, they're willing, and they develop the partnership that I'm looking for with a horse.
I'm Nicole Granger, and I'm the horse specialist here at the UVM Morgan Horse Farm. Well, like every little girl, I was kind of born horse crazy, and just started doing trail rides at kind of those local places that you go out for an hour with my mom. And from there, it kind of turned into something that I wanted to work with for the rest of my life. So I've really been involved with horses for probably about 15 years now, and kind of fell into the Morgan breed. We just happened upon a Morgan farm that had some horses for sale. And that was my first horse, was a young Greenbroke Morgan. That probably wasn't the best choice for me at the time, just starting out, but definitely gave me a crash course in this breed, and is why I love them today. We have right around 30 horses in training, and at varying stages, from lunging all the way up to riding and or driving. And we're basically doing that the majority of the day, with the public coming through on tours during the spring, summer, and early fall. And then finish up the day by a few more chores and heading home, and then do the same thing again the next day.
We have a systematic approach, and we try to be universal with that, so that all of our staff is trained in certain practices, the ways we handle these UVM Morgans. And usually it transitions very well. A 4-year-old, for example, that's come up through our system is pretty darn ready for a wide range of the horse-interested public. And we're very proud of that fact.
I think that Morgans are an outstanding breed. They have always been a breed that interested me from when I first started in getting into horses. I think they're incredibly intelligent, and they love to have a job. At the same time, they can be kind of a challenge to work with, being so smart. They try to outsmart you every day with everything that you ask them, which I love. I love a challenge, and kind of interacting and finding new ways to solve the puzzles that they present to you every day.
The brood stock that has been selectively bred here from the days of Joseph Patel to the present have a direct link to General Gates, Joseph Patel's foundation sire, and some of the breed greats. There's some very outstanding Morgan horses that have been produced over here. And I just listen every day for those hoof beats. That's what keeps me going.